Okay, let's talk about the verb ir, a very important verb in Spanish that you will use a lot. So the verb ir means to go. Now in English, we may use multiple conjugations to say like I go or am going. That's two different conjugations. I go, am going is a different conjugation. Okay. Or he goes or is going. You go or are going. In Spanish, it's only one conjugation for those same ideas. So to say I go or I am going, it's just one conjugation. I or he goes or is going, it's just one conjugation. Or you go or you are going, one conjugation in Spanish means the same thing. Okay, let's look at our verb chart here to see what we're talking about. So here are conjugations of the verb ir. This is considered an irregular verb because it doesn't follow the exact normal spelling that we're used to. Let's practice our pronunciation, so please repeat after me. Yo voy. Tú vas. Usted va. Él va. Ella va. Nosotros vamos. Vosotros vais. Ustedes van. Ellos van. Okay, so just a reminder. So if I say yo voy, it means in English, it means I go or I am going. Same thing in Spanish, you just say yo voy. Okay, it means both. So like I go to parties, yo voy a la fiesta. If I'm saying I'm going to a party, same thing, yo voy. Okay. So let's do some practice. Here we have our verb chart over here. So how do you say, como se dice, we go? How do you say we go in Spanish? Let's use our verb chart. So find the subject pronoun nosotros, we, right? We. Vamos is our conjugation. So, nosotros vamos, we go. We are going. ¿Cómo se dice we are going? How do you say we are going? This is kind of a trick question, right? Because I want to point out that you can use that conjugation, vamos. It means both ideas. So, nosotros vamos means we go or we are going. ¿Cómo se dice they go? Let's find our subject pronoun they. Which one is it? Ellos. So our conjugation for ellos is van. Ellos van. Now this is important to note. If I ask you what does van mean, it doesn't just mean go. It literally means they go. Because you wouldn't use van just to say go, and you wouldn't use van to say like I go. It's not yo van or tú van or nosotros van, right? It means they go. So that's really important. They go. Same thing with vamos. It doesn't just mean go. It doesn't just mean anyone goes. It means we go. So make sure you understand that those conjugations, okay, they're joined to those subject pronouns they go with. So if you see that conjugation, such as vamos by itself, that is implied nosotros, because that definitely goes with nosotros and only nosotros. She is going. How do you say she is going? Let's use our verb chart over here. We have ella for she, and the conjugation we need is va. Ella va. So same thing, it means she goes or she is going. Okay, one more thing. Here we have ir plus a to say going to. Ir plus a to say going to. So I'm going to somewhere, right? Or do something. So voy a la tienda. I go or I am going, either one. I go to the store. Vas a la biblioteca. You go or are going to the library. You'll use ir plus a plus the infinitive form of the verb to say that you are going to do something. So, voy a dormir. I'm going to sleep. Remember that infinitive form of the verb is that base form of the verb before we've done any conjugating. Vas a estudiar. You are going to study. Let's do some practice with this. So how do you say? ¿Cómo se dice? I am going to eat. Let's use our verb chart. Which one goes for I? Voy a comer. Voy a comer. And I can drop that yo because I know that voy only ever goes with yo. You'd never use it for anything else. So if I see voy, it means I am. Or in this case, I'm sorry, it means I am going or I go. In this case, it makes most sense in English, right, to say I'm going to eat. Voy a comer. She goes to the store. Ella va a la tienda. I am going to drink water. Voy a, that infinitive verb there, beber. Voy a beber agua. They go to church. Ellos is the one for they, right? They go, ellos van a la iglesia. Please complete the questions for this activity.